What is up, guys? I'm Yes. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a coffee, and you guys know that I never drink coffee, so we're already on another level today. It's a thing, it's a thing. I went to the gym this morning. Wow, get my life together 2018, Lego. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm box, and I know that we're in June, but so this would obviously have to be the June box, right? Oh my god, you guys, it's my birthday month. Oh my god. Yes, honey. Okay, so let's get right into it. The theme this month is Caribbean Queen, and I actually really like it because I feel like Caribbean is like a thing this year. I mean, I feel like Caribbean's always a thing, but especially this year. So let's start off with the palette that comes in here. It is the Alamar Cosmetics palette, and it's called Reina del Caribe. So cool, and this is actually volume 1. And this right here, let me get some like back info, but it actually comes with 8 shades, and it is 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades, as you can see right here. I'm actually wearing that on my eyes. I'm wearing the shades Coco Taxi, Tropico, El Malecon, and La Costa. So the palette itself costs $28, which is kind of crazy because the box only costs $20, so you're already getting like your money's worth. And this is not sponsored in any way. They send over the products, and I'm sharing them with you guys because I honestly feel like it's a steal. They send over so many cool goodies, and I've found a lot of new favorites that I would not have tried had it not been for like the box, you know? So it really kind of like opens up your mind and broadens your horizons because you get to try out different stuff that you usually wouldn't try. For example, that's where I found my love for the MAC. I don't even know what pencil it is, but it's an eyebrow pencil that I've talked about in the past, and I never would have thought to like purchase an eyebrow pencil at MAC. I don't know why, but yeah, so I got it in the box and I was like, wow, amazing. So now I'm in love with it, and yeah. So let's talk about the shades. This is what I'm wearing right now, and they're actually pretty pigmented. My favorites are definitely the shimmer shades. The mattes, I found that like 2 of them were a little bit chalky, but besides that, I really like the palette, and yeah, you get it all in here for like 20 bucks, so what is there to think about? Tink. Next up, we have the eyelashes, and these are Baddington lashes. I think that's how you pronounce it, and they actually come in this really cute little packaging, which is like, I really like it. It's adorable. I can't really tell what the actual like logo is. I know the top is oh, maybe it's like this. I know the top is an eyelash, but I can't really tell what that is, so I don't know. Personally, these are actually a little bit like small for my taste. I usually like eyelashes that will for sure like take me to another country if I bat them too fast, and this one, I don't know if it'll take me to another country, you know? So, but I'm actually not mad at the fact that they're kind of like straight, so this is definitely a different look for me because I usually go for like smaller to like bigger, and this is kind of like straight on. So I'm not mad at the lash. I feel like this would be really nice for like a very natural look, and I'm actually glad that they put this in the box because for your more average consumer, the most average consumer doesn't really like crazy ass lashes like I do, you know? So I think it's definitely perfect because obviously not everybody wants to fly to other countries. So it's perfect that they put these in here, and I really like the packaging, although again, can't really tell what it is. I've literally gone pee like 27 times while drinking this small ass coffee. I've had it for hella hours and like I just can't finish it, but okay. Let's move on to the next product that comes in here. It is actually the 3-set brush, which one of them's kind of two of them are kind of dirty because I actually use them for my Instagram tutorial. But these are actually from Luxie, and it is a 3-piece flawless complexion. So it comes with a precision foundation brush, tapered highlighting face brush, which is what I use for my highlighter, and then a duo fiber powder brush, which is what I use for my powder. I feel like I already said that, but okay. So I actually really like Luxie brushes. I own a lot of them, and they work a lot with Boxycharm, so I've actually gotten a lot of my Luxie brushes through Boxycharm, which is cool because I feel like it really gives you a chance to kind of like collect brushes and start like, you know, like knowing what you like and what you don't like. So these actually retail for 42 bucks. Damn, that's kind of a lot, but so Boxycharm is kind of a steal, but yeah, so these are worth 42 bucks. I still can't get over the price, but okay. Brushes are expensive, girl, oh my god. But anyways, like it's not even actually makeup, it's like what you use to apply the makeup. But okay, so yeah, so these are 42 bucks, and I actually forgot to tell you guys what the other, these are actually $10. So I'm gonna go ahead and count 4, 5, 6, 10, 70. So we already have a solid price point of 80, no. Why don't I know how to count? 8, 9, 10, 4, 5, 6, 70, 80. Okay, yeah. So if you were to go buy these things like at the store separately, it would already be 80 bucks. So that's already kind of a steal. And yeah, next up we have possibly like my favorite product out of all the ones that are in this box, because you guys know that I am huge on smell, and you guys, oh my god, it smells so freaking good. I'm not gonna lie, when I first like saw it and before I took off the little cap, I was kind of like, I have a feeling this is not gonna smell amazing, but it smells like nothing I've ever smelled before. It smells like a mix of like, for sure like vanilla, but like a creamy vanilla. That makes absolutely no sense, but a creamy vanilla with a tad bit of coconut. Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is actually the Sol de Janeiro, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sol de Janeiro fast absorbing body cream, and it's very thick, and you guys know that I love thick creams. I don't like my creams to be watery. The thicker the better. Oh my god, it says it helps tighten and smooth like no other. So the brand is called Brazilian Bum Bum. Oh no. So I don't really know what the brand, okay, hold on. The brand is called Sol de Janeiro, and the product is called Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. You guys, oh my god, huele tan bueno. Oh, it smells so good. So it's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian. Ugh, why can't I speak today? It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. Oh my god, it smells, okay, so it says that the scent is pistachio caramel. You guys, it smells amazing. I'm definitely gonna have to like check out if they have like any bigger bottles, because I can drown myself in this stuff, honestly. I don't smell the pistachio, but it honestly smells amazing. Oh my god. Drown myself in it. Oh my god. Okay, I can see the pistachio now. Once you put it on, it does give you like a pistachio vanilla cream. So good. Where is the pencil? Where are you? Where's the pencil? Where is the pencil? Amazing, we found it. Okay, so this pencil right here, it is a dark brown eyeliner pencil from Jonte Blue, and I've actually tried Jonte Blue before. I absolutely love their lip liners, but I'm all out. And then sometimes I feel bad to like repurchase stuff, being that I have so much stuff just laying around, you know? So then I don't repurchase it, but so it's this right here. It's like an eyeliner pencil. I used it in this look on my upper waterline. probably not what it's called. And there was a loud ass, I don't know what that was, but it was super loud, super inconsiderate. How dare you, sir? You don't give a shit about my video. Okay, so honestly, people are so inconsiderate, like it baffles me. Like, it baffles me. I'm filming a video, sir. Do you have no respect at all whatsoever? I can't with people, I'm done. Okay. So the next product is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Verona, which is this one right here. And it's also what I'm wearing on my face. So I use all of these products in this look. Like I said, if you want to check it out, you can check out my Instagram, which will be linked down below or on the screen somewhere right here. Yes. So that's what I'm wearing on my lips. It is like a darker nude, kind of. I actually really like it. I really like to do these with like a lighter lipstick in the middle to kind of give your lips dimension. But this one right here is actually 21 bucks. And the Jante Blue one is $5. So if you're ever looking for like eyeliners or really good lip liners, I recommend Jante Blue because they're like pretty affordable. It's only $5. So yeah. So I put all of my mathematician skills to the test and I calculated that everything comes out to 106 bucks if you were to buy them all separately. And if you get the box, it is actually a subscription that you can cancel anytime and it only costs $21. So it's actually a really big steal. And like I said, I really like it because I get to try out new products that I probably wouldn't have tried otherwise. So I've discovered a lot of new favorites through Boxycharm, so I definitely recommend it. So what's really cool is that they always send like a palette. So this one right here is actually really cool and it's not something that I probably would have purchased outside of like Boxycharm. So it's cool that they send it because I will use it. I really like it. It's actually like really cute. Like I love like the concept of it. The colors are really nice. So it's cool to like, again, discover new products. And this video is not sponsored. They did send over the box. They always send over boxes to me every month, which is how I like discover my new products, but it's not sponsored. I just thought I'd share with you guys because I know that a lot of you guys are always interested in asking me about Boxycharm, so I figured why not bring it to YouTube and show you guys exactly what's in it and what my opinion is on it. And I definitely think that like it's worth it. I only feel like there's like maybe 1 or 2 boxes that I was like, eh. So that's it for my little unboxing review. If you guys do want to sign up, you can check the description bar below and there's going to be a link that'll take you directly to the Boxycharm website or whatever. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that the cars didn't scare you away. I hope that you stuck around, girl. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're into these Boxycharm unboxing videos, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoy them. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram too because why not, you know? So yeah, hit me up on there. Follow me on Twitter because I already have like 500 followers, so I don't know, Twitter famous, Twitter verify me. Okay, what are we waiting for? So yeah, love you guys so much and I'll talk to you guys next time.